Hi everyone! It's 3:22 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria. And in the Philippines, it's 9:22 na ng gabi. So today guys, ang ginawa ko guys ay this one guys. Sobra ko itong na-miss guys. Yung salad na talong, ayan guys. Tapos okra, ayan guys. Binili ko sa Asia Shop. And pipino. So, eto lang yung ulam namin for today guys. And galunggong. So yan, galunggong guys. Galunggong na binili ko sa Asia Shop. And of course, brown rice tayo guys. So, eto guys, kain tayo guys. 4 lang yung galunggong ko guys, pero malaki yan siya. So, eto ang aming ulam for today. So, kain tayo guys. Sobra ko itong na-miss guys. As in, ang sarap-sarap nito guys. Tapos po itong isda guys. The best. The best ito guys. Maparami na naman ang ating kain. So, kain tayo guys. Babu!